बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्या हाल है? ठीक हो आप लोग? अच्छा, so again I'm here with the next lecture video. Here is your chapter number 13, degrees of comparisons about the adjective. I won't give you more explanation about this one chapter because you have studied this in the degrees of comparisons of adverbs. They are same, but adverbs, they were telling you about the verbs or another adverbs. Here it is about the noun. Okay, this is the main difference between the adverbs and the adjectives and their degrees. That degrees were about the adverbs, and these degrees are about the adjectives. So this is your page number 54, your page number 54, and here they are telling you about the 3 degrees of comparison. Okay, the 3 degrees means the positive degree, the positive degree. The first one step is positive degree, second one step is the comparative degree, and the third one step is your superlative degree. And the degree, the word degree, that is usually used for stepping something, to step something, to divide them or to make their degrees. Okay, this is quite easier. This is easy. Okay, see, positive is the simple one. Comparative, you will add er with that, and superlative, in the last you have to add est to the positive one. Okay, like see, short, shorter, shortest, dark, darker, darkest, lovely, lovelier, loveliest. ई आर जो है ये हम कंपैरेटिव में यूज़ करते हैं, ई एस टी जो है वो हम सुपरलेटिव में यूज़ करते हैं. यहाँ पे अगर आप आई को देखें तो आई हम तब यूज़ करते हैं जब लास्ट में वाई हो. जब वाई को हम रिमूव करते हैं तो फिर हम आई लगाते हैं. सही है. बोल्ड, बोल्डर, बोल्डेस्ट, यंग, यंगर, यंगेस्ट, हैप्पी, हैप्पियर, हैप्पीएस्ट. रीड दिस बाय योर ओन सेल्फ. Here for positive we are using POIST. It's okay for me. Okay, comparative we will use COMP. Superlative we will use SUPR. Okay, instead of writing the whole word over here. Okay, because it will create sometime it creates some messy look. Okay, so we will avoid to write the whole word. We will only write PCS or like this. Okay, so here is pick out the adjectives from the following sentences and in each case mention the degree of comparison. Okay, this is your exercise A on page 55. Tom was younger than Jim but taller. Then is used for the comparative one. If you are comparing two words, or if you are comparing two things, you will use then. If you are talking about the superlative, so before the superlative degree we will use the. Okay, see, this poem is shorter but better than one. What about this? Taller. I have done one for you, and the rest you will do this by your own self. You have to pick out the adjectives. All these are the adjectives. See, their car was faster than ours, and though they had to travel a longer distance, they reached home earlier than us. Now here is your page number 56. Okay, this is your again the same exercise A. You will do this by your own self. And this one, see, this was the worst train accident in the last 10 years. This was the worst. This thing shows us, see, the word the tell us that this is your superlative degree. Okay, do this by your own self. Then they are telling you about some more comparative and superlative forms, like for many we use more and most. For much we can also use more and most. Okay, one is the number, another one is the quantity. Then well, better, best. ये जो है ये इरेगुलर हैं। इरेगुलर वो होते हैं जिनमें सिर्फ ई आर और ई एस टी लगाने से वो वर्ड कंप्लीट नहीं होते, बल्कि वो पूरा का पूरा चेंज हो जाते, जिस तरह हमने कहा था गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट, बैड, वर्स्ट, वर्स्ट। ओके, लिटिल, लेस, लीस्ट, लेट, लेटर, लेटेस्ट, ओल्ड, ओल्डर, ओल्डेस्ट। वन ओल्ड मीन्स जो पुराना होते हैं, एक ओल्ड जो है वो एज के लिए यूज होता है, देन वी आर यूजिंग एल्डर and eldest. Okay, read this by your own self, it's quite easy. Same is here on page number 57. This is your page 57. Okay, I'll tell you about this number 6 point. Okay, नंबर 6 दे आर टेलिंग यू कि हम जो है कंपैरेटिव और मॉडर्न इंग्लिश में क्या है कि हम कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव में हम वो दोनों एक साथ यूज़ नहीं कर सकते। लाइक मोर बेटर, मोर इज़ आल्सो अ कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म, बेटर इज़ आल्सो अ कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म। दिस इज़ रॉन्ग। मोस्ट इज़ अ superlative, best is also superlative, wrong. More, greater, we can't use these words, but we can use like comparative और superlative के साथ अगर हम positive और comparative use करते हैं तो हम कर सकते हैं, अगर हम comparative और superlative use करते हैं तो वो भी हम कर सकते हैं। like see, much greater, much, much more, most, तो much जो है वो पॉजिटिव में आ गया, ग्रेटर जो है वो आपका कंपैरेटिव में आ गया। मच मोर, सी, ये आप यूज़ कर सकते हो वैसे। देन हेयर इज़ योर एक्सरसाइज बी, fill in the blanks with the appropriate forms of the adjectives given in brackets. Like which of the two boxes we are talking about? The two boxes means we will talk about the comparative degree. Contains dash pencils many, तो many की जगह many का जो comparative है वो होगा more. Okay, then we talked about this is the जो है वो सुपरलेटिव में आएगा, तो हम इसको सुपरलेटिव में चेंज करेंगे। फनी, फनियर, तो फनीएस्ट। डन। then here is who is the dash boy in the class, hard working, who is the okay, here a piece of heavy wood will feel much dash in water than in air, तो अब much यूज़ हुआ है, much is also a positive one, much more, most, तो हम इसके साथ comparative degree यूज़ कर सकते हैं। okay, do the rest by your own self. if you are facing any problem then don't worry, I'm here to solve your problems. okay, take care, Allah Hafiz.